This is my snowball. Ah! I almost got stuck. Oh yeah, we got a snowball. Wait, card. We can't use this, Caleb. We can have it. Yeah. Wow. Are you okay?
No. 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 No, no, no. That's hard, huh? No hard, no hard.
It's gonna be a race now.
Oh.
Oh,
Oh.
big dog. Ah! Get down, guys. Race.
Kalaro nila. Oh.
Push on. It's a lava, guys. Lava's coming. Lava's coming. It was on us. My head hurts. It's shitty. You make drop. Bubbles? Hi, Sybil. Be careful.
Not hard, Josh.
The
Okay.
biggest one. Guys! How do we do this? Yes! What do you think about that? Maybe she'll hear.
Are you wanna go home now? I told you don't remove your gloves. Babati mo. What is that? Bye. See, bye-bye. Oh, bye. Oh, thank you too. Okay. Bye-bye. Okay, I'll put your gloves. Okay. Okay. You wanna go home now? I told you don't remove your gloves. Na-shock ko. Na-shock siya, na-shock.
Sino?
Si Kilab.
Kini.
I'm still singing.
Ha?
Diyan ka lang mag-i-stay? Diyan sa snow na yan?
Ito, what to
Ikutin natin doon sa
Okay,
ano.
malibang sinulan.
Asan tawag ito na yan?
Diyan ba na diyan? Wala.
Hindi. Alam ko doon banda eh.
Ayaw may balay?
Hindi pa ganyan ka.
Ha? Doon.
Doon.
Doon nga dito na. Dito na kayo. Dalawa nito picture.
May medical doon eh.
Yeah, yung may medical nga balay.
Hmm.
Doon kayo straight. Ha?
Let's go.
Ha?
Bebe, ako na yan.
Yung milk tray niya ba?
Bebe, ako na yan.
Mom!
Dari na tubig niya. Ay, hindi na magukabiyaan. Okay ka na? Walking ka.
Let's go.
Mama! How do I get out of here?
Come here. Dito ka.
Let's go.
Ka na. Tulungan mo yan.
Stick ka na lang dyan. Nak.
Huh?
Diyan ka na lang. Ah!
Dad, I still wanna play.
Nak. Ay, gusto nila lola mo mag
Nak, alam mo, dito lang tayo mag-stay.
suroy-suroy.
Para pagka mamaya-maya alas 11 siguro, bababa ta, punta ta ng museum. Dili, basa sa loob. Ha? Basa sa loob?
Where?
The gloves ba?
Yes.
Is it wet?
Yes.
Oh, ano yan? Napapasukan pala yan? Ano yan? Hindi siya, no? Hindi siya waterproof?
Okay, Dad. If the glove is is fireproof. It's not gonna be.
Ah, pang ano yan eh. Yung pang pag nagbabike ka. Hindi yan. Iba yan. Ginagamit yan sa pag nagbabike ka.
So, basang-basa yung jacket mo dito sa likod? Ano yung pantalon?
Oh yeah.
Ha?
Yeah.
Basa ba?
No, on my knees.
Oh my God.
I'm using this to pick up the snow. With this.
Ginutom mo. Nakabihis di oras eh. Ginutom.
This is good.
Hindi.
Ang kalas ka.
Ano?
If there's a coyote, I'm gonna go like this.
Huh?
Like this. Oh yeah. Huh? Butter. Butter. No. Butter.
Don't hurt the coyote.
Butter. Butter.
Brother.
Butter.
Anak, what's this daw? What is that?
What's that? It's a wood.
It was supposed to break that, but it didn't. Oh. It broke in half. Oh, broken mountain broke. This is Minecraft logic. No, that's a building. Me. Let's go to build.
Ano pa yung sinasabi niya?
Oh, napay na ko.
May sinasabi yung kapatid mo, hindi ko maintindihan. Anong sinasabi niya?
What are you doing?
You know, I mean, what is he's talking about the building.
What building?
Building. Build something.
Oh, Dad, look.
Okay na?
Keep walking.
Malamig yung hangin, no? Tingnan mo to. Sino nagbutas dito? Yung woodpecker?
Yep.
Hindi nga, yung sungad nila?
Hindi, chinecheck yan nila.
Kung
Kung yan ay...
ay kahoy?
No.
Ano ba din?
Not it. This is the woodpecker. That's
Wakwak
not.
sikon?
Chinecheck nila kung ang wood ay strong pa. O ito yung yung pag nag-akyat sila, ginagawa no? Kasi tinitrim nila yan.
Market sa taas?
Oh, tinitrim nila to eh.
Iman ba to?
Yeah.
Hindi. Ka naman ka?
Yeah.
Wakwak sikon? May help guys?
It's really high.
Come on right here.
Go for it.
Oras punuan ha?
Ay, oo. Tingnan mo, may butas din talaga. Oh. Baka yan yung di ba yung natuyo bago naputol? Para siyang nagbutas na.
Yun, iba yun eh. Di mo
Binutas talaga. Ay, naiwan oh.
Hanapin mo yun, kuya.
Ang,
Yung just,
ang ano?
yung makikita ka sa ano, live. Yan, ganito yun. Yung makikita ka sa live.
Ah, yung camera? Doon yan oh. Doon sa pinakataas.
Asan?
Doon.
No.
Dito? Dito, meron yan dito rin.
Nak, ayaw pa dakad dyan. Josh, ambitin. Kaya doon ano.
Ay, baka merong ano dyan.
Yan. Ang slip pa. Kung sinusundan tayo.
Pasaway oh. Nakita ka sa ano oh.
Kasabot si Jeka, oh.
Sinusundan ka ng ano, ng kapatid mo. Bebe, yung tubigan niya, be.
Okay, go.
Gusto talaga doon. Muntik ko na subsob. Ang tanong dyan, aakyat yung ano. Hindi na makaugod.
I'm tired.
Ay, ko.
Ah,
Akala ko nalunod.
mag-diet kayong dalawa.
My heart is beating like it's in...
Ay, alam niyo kung bakit? Ako nga, hindi ako nakakaramdam ng ganun.
Because you're not tired. You didn't go forward.
Ah. Tingnan mo yung dala ko, oh. Ang dami, oh.
Come on.
Ang bibigat. What? Ang isa, what? Ganito palakpak ko. Dito yung medical nila. Ayan. Diyan yung medical. So, if there's something, ano, ng accident or nasugatan or something, ano, nagka-problema, dyan, pupunta. Ang ganda ng panahon. Yung snow, nagme-melt na siya. Ice na siya, hindi na snow. Yeah, yung snow. Yung snow. Ice na. Hindi pala snow. Ice na siya.
Wala na ba kayo nung... Aha, wala na ba kayo pantalon? Please, mabasa yan dyan siya. Hey, can you go out there? Because your brother wanna... Brother.
Problema eh.
Mabasa dyan yung mga sapatos. I'm telling you. Okay. Thank you, Lord.
Pasaway talaga ako. Bata talaga. Yung lamig ay nakakahingal sa sobrang lamig.
Ay, na nga, no?
Oh, gahin na siya. Ayos na siya.
Kaya ka na. Diyan dito ba yung mga sapatos?
Me?
Sa review. Yan lang. Ganun mo. Kasi matigas ang sapatos mo. Ganun mo. Dito. Asasang.
Just do. Yeah, look at that.
I am doomed. Dad is stranded.
Ha? Ha?
Wait for me.
Hurry up. Tandaan mo, baka mahulog ka ha. Be, ako na magkarga, be. Ako kinakabahan sa'yo. Be, be, be. No, no, no. I need to hold you kasi baka mahulog.
Hindi, ikaw.
Be, be, be.
Ah, dito na lang ako.
Dito, mas safe. Ayan na, mas safe yan. Ne. Mabasa ang paan yan.
Ikaw muna din.
Papa. Yes.
Uy!
Naku ka, naku ka.
Uy! Mukhang ano to dito, oh, Steve. Dito. Ah, dito. Mas okay to dito. Me. Mas okay dito, ah. Me. Dito, mas okay.
This is all wet now.
No?
Pero sa amin dati, kahit ganito kalaki, oh, tinatawiran namin. Ngayon, mahirap na siya tawiran. Mag-balance ka. Mahirap na. Yan.
Stop. Ano so? No!
Ba't diyan kayo sa mahirap? I said, doon, oh. May...
Catch him.
No.
Baka mahulog.
Ay, madulas pala dito.
Yeah. Mag-ingat kayo. Matigas na siya.
Yeah.
Tsaka madudulas kayo. Doon, oh.
Look.
Bata, kalagyan ng bata. Ano yun? Hood ng ano? Ah, hoodie. Eh, sombrero. Oh, may sombrero doon ng bata. Yan, oh. Yung bata.
Yan, pero yung ano ba, itin. Kadamit.
Oh,
Yung ganyan.
yeah.
Yung sa babae.
Yeah. Ganun nga, ano. Ay, oo.
Hindi ka talaga, di sila init, malamigan.
Maganda nga yan. Tsaka yung hindi sila mabasa. Next time.
Madulas pala, no?
Yeah.
Alam mo dito, may signal pa dito.
May signal dito?
Oh,
Oh, okay. Titanong mo.
para bang ano ba?
Delikado yan, ah.
Ha? Mura ba siya gulok pa? Pag-abot dito.
Oo nga, no.
Cutting the ice. You don't want to go to go. I messed up. Me an egg. You don't want an egg. No.
Ito yung napala namin pumunta dito.
This instant. I
Look at
want egg now.
Look at this guy.
I want
look at this
egg
guy.
This instant.
Try na try yung buhangin niya.
Hurry up.
Ay, ikaw ang kumuha. Ay, ano ako, katulong mo? Ay, sus, ah.
I'm also falling.
Sino yun doon?
Mommy!
Knockout din. Nako, wala na.
I'm falling. I'm sliding. I'm sliding. I'm sliding. Help me! I can't. I can't. I can't.
Oh. Akyat dito. Alika, nak. Akyat tayo dito. Nak, akyat tayo dito. Come here. Akyat tayo dito. Ano bang mayroon dito? Uy! Ah. Ano bang mayroon dito? Okay. Taas na tayo. Tutok-tok. Tingnan nyo. Ang sarap mag-hiking dito. Ayan o, may sumaba pala doon. Baba pala yun doon. Ayan, baba doon. Ayan sila. Si Mama. Bagsak na sila doon mo. Bagsak na Santa Lourdes eh. Nandun na atas tabi oh. Tulog na. Yan siya yun. Daanan pala dito sa kabila. Paikot siya. Ouch! Saan duman yung mga tao yan? Doon pala. Balik tayo dito. Lalaki ng bunga ng pine tree. Ito yata yung natin. Paano kaya kumuha ng mga ano yan? Kasi meron daw yung meron daw seeds sa loob. The North Nakita ko gloves to. Gloves. Nakita ko dyan. Diyan ko nakita. Iwan ko rin dyan. Hindi ko pwedeng kunin yan. Baka mamaya may sakit pa yung taong nagsuot niyan. Tingnan nyo to. Something. Minsan daw dito may mga ahas. Panggatong. Hindi panggatong yan. Ha? May naghagok na to. Wala siyang tulog.
Wala nga siyang tulog.
Kaya humina yung ano niya.
Sige, mag-istambay diri.
Lakaw mo diato, dari rami. Kapoy. Kapoy.
Otro ko kalin. Segundang Lourdes.
Kasi nga, bugat ka si Kilab din. Pagkahuman ako, bugat pa akong lawas, bugat pa si Kilab.
Ay naku, nakunan. Hindi ka nakunan dito. Bugat akong lawas.
Ala, ang baba maraglubot. Oh my God. Ala, ay mga baba maragurilya.
Mahulog na.
Eh, naglaway-laway. Kundi,
Wala na, bitaw ka kuya. Ano na? Maragukat, alam mo, rin ako sa gurilya nga niya.
Wala ka guliriya dito.
Goleria.
Uy, wag mo, di ba mo kisayangan?
Sigan ra. Na?
Mabulunan ka, hoy.
Sigan ni mong itlog.
Awa na blow my nose de. Yes.
I-blow kita. Gusto mo? Tulungan kita?
Wala ka nilipot dito dito. Loy, dito ato.
Ha?
Ato ba?
Sada ko na
Wala
dito.
ma. Naglibot ako dito.
Kuling ka na ha.
Naghilik na.
Huy! Ay, ano nang. Wala kailangan lingaw na dyan. Hindi mo nang ulo sa mamangod dito.
Hindi ka na naman nag-iisip.
Punta man ka. Atong bato mo pala. Baga.
So saan na naman kayo punta? Next.
Tao dyan sa wala ka.
Mamaya, bababa tayo, maniod to. Dahil po data sa
Babalik pa kayo dito?
Museum. Alam mo, pagbababa ka doon, hindi ka na pwede, pagbabalik ka dito, hindi ka pwede. Kumbaga, one way lang yung ticket mo.
One way ticket.
Dili.
One way ticket to the blue.
Maog na ta.
Yeah. Maniod to din, man lang to sa museum.
Alas 12 ka magiging dito. Wala na. Alas 12.
Wala walang signal dito na. Kaya kung ano mang mangyari dito, walang signal pala talaga dito.
Mayroon naman ako.
Ako wala.
Nakapagtasa ako kay mama
Can I
kanina.
use your phone? I'm bored now. I wanna
Yeah,
move.
you can use it. You want?
Can we move? Also, I'm very tired. I wanna sleep. I wanna smoke.
Lidang ka nga, gano'n. Pwede ka naman eh. Kaso,
Yep. Right.
Sa ngayon guys, nandito po kami sa saan dapit to? Saan dapita?
lagay mo yung sombrero. Ilagay mo ang sombrero.
Nandito po kami ngayon. Naghihilik-hilik na po yung isa. Si Auntie Lourdes ay mukhang masarap na ang tulog. Nandito po siya ngayon. Naghihilik, ang lakas ng hilig niya. So, knockout. Nakapoy. So, nasa likuran po namin ay napakalaking mountain. Ay, mountain bato. At nasa likuran ko naman ay na si Chini. Si Chini. At si Kilab. Si Madam Auring. At si Madam President over there. At si Joshua. Ayan. Wala na dong. Marami na dong. Okay. Sugat. Oh, bakit mo naisipan yan?
I didn't need to again. the handle. I was trying to like.
Takut. Wow.
Keep walking all the way to the other side, folks. Thank you. Keep walking all the way towards the other side.
Okay.
Keep coming, folks. Keep coming. Don't block the entrance.
Don't block the entrance. Where's baby? Already.
I'm always looking at the top, no matter what. If we get down, I know we're gonna be hearing Michael Jackson.
Yeah, this is gonna be scary. Because it's
And I still hear siren. Where's Mom?
Says she's no good with words, but I was. But it started out a joke, then took a start to top tongue. Down with words too.
C'est parce que si t'es en haut, tu dois. Maintenant, je suis fatigué là. Attends. Bien sûr, je vais sur mon téléphone.
Exit na.
No, we're getting ice cream, remember?
Oh, bibili ka pa ng ice cream.
Yeah, you said.
Oh, we good.
Can we get some chicken strips too?
Okay. Where's your mama?
She's, I don't know. She disappeared.
Coaching.
She disappeared.
Oh, dito yung cellphone niya. Little boy. May kuya. Balot na balot siya eh.
Alam mo, ang dami niyang jacket niyan.
Ang dami ng jacket. Ah, so pwede ka maglakad doon sa baba?
Oo. Naka-snowboards pa
Ah,
siya.
ready na siya. ah?
Look, rocks!
Ano sabi niya? Fox? Just wait. Mami, ano, nag-scan pa ng ticket. Dito na naman kami. Si Lola Lourdes sa likod. Little boy. May ako na yan, may. Ba't dadala, may? Doon guys, taas. Hindi makita dito. Hindi makita.
Wala namang gugulan talaga kamay niya.
Walang snow.
Kung saan yung snow,
Yun na. Anong masasabi mo na? Takot
I'm
ka na?
scared. Yes, I'm scared.
Ha?
I'm scared.
Why?
Because I'm more afraid to get I'm afraid of heights.
Ikaw, takot ikaw? Oh,
Ay, mag-ampok pa yan.
ang dami tao.
I'm horrified. I'm scared. I don't want to do
Kasi yun yung sakto ng ano, 8:45. Yung sa top na yun. Ah, may mga hayop pala na ano.
Kapag mag-excited ka.
Yung tsura. Excited ko, isa ko lang ba? Oh. Papunta doon sa stop. So, ilang feet yun, mami? Ilang feet yun? Mga gano'n kataas?
8,500 yata.
8,000? 8,000. 8,000. 8,000. Gano'n kataas? Ito natatakot na. Oh.
scared so.
Nagsuot ng gloves sa ata. Nasa yung gloves niya?
Nandiyan, binalik ko sa bag.
Oh, kasi mainit eh. Wala ng snow. Gusto lang lumakad. Yun yung magpabuhat. Doon dapat sa kabila. Hawakan mo mabuti. Bongo.
Daddy, I'm scared.
Ah, hindi na tayo sasakay dito. Kasunod.
All right, welcome everybody. Come on in. Good morning. All right, everybody,
Oh.
step on in. Crash pads, backpacks on the floor at your feet, please. We have a tight space here for 10 minutes on our way up. Just be aware of those around you. My name is John. I'll take you up here in a moment. Let's close doors.
Sana, magulitan niya. Pinapagsarado.
We have two cars. We have a mount car and a valley car. When the mount cars are ready to come down, and they are, we're ready to go up. Let's go ahead and lift up the car. All right, here we go. Okay, a couple things to mention. First off, floors are going to rotate. So if you're standing next to those windows, don't hold the window bars too tight because you're going to be moving with that floor. Those handrails in the middle of the car will move with you. All right, that's how those floors work. Now we're going to go over 5 towers on our way up, and every time you go over a tower, there'll be a bit of a swing to the car. The swing gets a little bit bigger as we go, and tower number 3 gives you the best swing. Enjoy your 5 towers. We'll be there in 10 minutes. It's about 45 degrees up there.
Few rotating tram cars providing you with 360-degree views anywhere in town. We've just left down the station. And in some 11 you'll step out into a completely different world. The high country of the San
It's okay, it's okay. Just watch it.
At an elevation 8,516 feet above sea level. We'll travel over 2.5 miles of cable. At the top, the temperature averages some 40 degrees cooler. Change in the trees, flowers, and shrubs. We'll travel over 5 towers. All other towers and the mountain station had to be constructed by transporting workers and materials to the various sites by helicopter. New rotating improvements included new cable. Lucy survey cars, Young cabins are the first in the Western Hemisphere promoting 300 streams that flow year-round, the canyon has an abundance of vegetation, including sycamore, alder, black maple, and a great deal of wild grapevine. Ranging from the Sonora Desert to the Alpine Fringe. It's a little like making a motor trip from Mexico to Alaska. This is the only place in Southern California where this takes place. As we approach Tower number 2, at the top of the tower, you can see a 16 by 16 foot yellow helicopter platform used during construction and now used during the training. Storms will be seen on the remaining towers. As you know already, we experienced a swinging motion as the tram car transitions from the track cable over the tower saddle and back to the track cable. This motion
Usar lagi ito nga murag ni hugno.
The original tramway was designed and built by the Von Roll Company in Switzerland. All the cables are Swiss-made. The towers are American-made. There's a total of 27 miles of various sized cables in the support, movement, and communication of the tramway. The largest cables are the track cables, which move on. They weigh just under 9 pounds a foot, with each of these track cables 13,500. You see, the drive side is pulling that car down.
Febrero na sa yung birthday, wala na. Richard, makita din mo. Makita din mo ba? Katong last time na namin tapak na ito.
In September 1969, some 26 months of construction and a cost of $8.5 million.
They said it was gonna be a harder one.
These new rotating tramcars at a total cost of $12 just as in the very beginning. No tax dollars were used, and the cost of construction and the operation of the tramway was so It is between towers 3 and 4 we reach the longest span of our journey. The cables are more than half a mile. It's one of the most dramatic sights of our entire trip. The majestic spire of Kino Cathedral. Visible testimony of the solid granite.
2 more laps and we're done. Finally.
As we continue our journey,
5
the
laps.
light zone changes.
This is the last one and I'm horrified.
We see a variety of
Is it 5,000?
Indian,
Oh, 5,000.
What are you talking about?
natural residents,
I mean,
include deer, mountain lion, bobcat, raccoon,
Ayun.
Oh no. I'm scared.
I didn't see it.
Well, these are just 2 more left and we're done.
Nag-enjoy nga si Caleb.
Kuya naman, takot na takot.
below. You will be able to see the many desert cities.
Kasi,
What do you see? There.
Far south of the Southern Seas. Named, honored, and to the right of our travel is San Gorgonio, at 11,499 feet, the tallest mountain in Southern California. We are nearing the end of our journey now. Within the state park and wilderness are more than 54 miles of summer hiking trails and, in winter, many miles of snowshoe and cross-country ski opportunity. This is, by the way, one of the very few wilderness areas in Southern California and has been designated a moderately easy trail found along mountain just behind and below Mountain Station. For those of us who adventure beyond the mountain station,
What do you see? Yeah, what do you see?
hiking boots and clothing,
Rock?
please stay on the prepared trail. So this
Yeah, you see that?
in the mountain station, you'll discover the top of the Grand Restaurant with one of the finest panoramic views in the West. A cocktail lounge is available, as well as a gift and apparel shop. A video on the construction of the tramway and its renovation is shown in the small theater every 30 minutes. From the first deep snow until spring, the Adventure Center is in operation with snow tubing, snowshoeing, cross-country ski equipment rental. The center may be found by walking down the concrete trails to during summer weekends. State park volunteers conduct rituals in Long Valley. Times are posted at the mountain station. The tramway departure times are announced on the bus system. We hope you'll enjoy a visit to this beautiful wilderness environment. And we thank you for being with us on Palm Springs Area Tramway.
there's one more. I think
Oh, another more.
One more? Wait, is that 4?
there's 5, I think.
There's the picture
Oh, hindi ka naman pala natakot.
Yeah, I'm not scared anymore, but then when we're going down, it's a little funner.
Oh, yeah.
Drop
Okay, welcome to the mountain station. The elevation here is 8,516 feet.
Oh, 8,000.
As we roll in that dock, we are going to bump the side. A couple of bumps coming to the door of the dock.
Oh, mahal. Destination na tayo.
All right, you're gonna go downstairs to go outside. Access in the forest. State park downstairs.
8,516.
Go upstairs if you want to eat or drink something. Cafe's open now. Cocktail bar, restaurant, lounge open at 11. Here comes those bumps. From. Oh, I delivered this morning. All right, I'll open doors in a moment. You're going to go directly in the building. Right side always straight ahead. Go directly in and clear the docks, please. No more guests coming out. Once you go directly in, got pictures upstairs, no windows. On this level, we got a gift shop. We got photos. We got tram cars going down every 12 to 15. You just show up when you're ready to go down. Last car down will be 9:30 p.m. tonight.
Hindi ka natakot.
No.
Excited si Dave.
That was the worst.
Oh, namawala ka.
Ayun, words.
Okay, so I'm gonna get full advances.
So pala yun, level 3, first time level 2, yes, okay. Dito tayo. Ang ganda sa taas. Ambe yung ano, gatas. Gatas. Tapos si ano? How's that, the Lourdes? Oh, yeah. Huh? You tired? Oh, what's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? No, I need to hold you. Ay, ayaw ko mapahawak mo. Pastila ng bata ah. Oh, okay. Okay. Ayaw mo pahawak. Okay, okay. Go ahead. Keep going. No. That's, look your step, Mama. Ay, look. Ay, ganda. Ay, ganda, Lourdes.
Kaya pa tayo?
Okay lang, te? Dito muna. Dito muna kayo, kakain? Mami, kakain muna kayo dito. Mami, hawakan mo yan. Pababa yan.
Di man kung magpagunin.
No. You need to watch me. Oh, nakita yung sa Lola. Anak ko, alam mo, mahirap to kayo, Lourdes.
Sabahin ma.
Ma, kung gusto niyo, mag-stay kayo doon sa labas.
Ako dala namin din. Ako dala naman.
Where's Kuya? Yeah. Kaya mo ba? O gusto mo dito mag-stay? Gusto mo lang dito?
No.
O gusto mo doon? Okay.
Basta kayo pagbalik, ani unya tablaw.
Oo. Kaya gusto mo magdala ko ng ano mo?
Ari po, ari. No, okay ba?
Okay lang?
Ari po, ari din ako ito.
Okay.
Talaga?
why I'm having a difficulty of breathing.
Palangga. Ay, lalab.
Keep walking. Na siguro berdere. Nay berdere ko.
Ha?
Nani berdere.
Oo!
Ako na. Ikaw rin mag-safe there ron.
Malayo na sila basta naroon. Tamang gahabang tao ba?
Ikaw rin mag-safe kung naiber.
Kaya may ano man.
Kalambos.
Lambos.
Pero wala na sila.
Hadlock mo na sila. Kaya dagang tao. Kuya, baka kainin ka ng ano ha. Busog na talaga yung ano.
Tubig dito, na isa pa, unsa.
May sapa nga gamay.
Ya, sa umos pa.
May sapa nga gamay dito te.
Na ako na te.
Dito.
Biyay.
Oo.
Sus, wala na po isno.
Oh, wala mo
Wala na.
reklamo ng bata. Ha? May reklamo ng bata.
Alam mo, ginaya ka te. Lahat sila may ano. Panglambos na. Akala nila yung dinampot mo yan, panglambos mo sa ano. Oo.
Sa bear?
Oo.
Ay, naku.
Kada good day.
Oh, yun o.
Dire. No.
Lami kampingan, no? Mo man ako kalayhan ani magcamping kay.
Inaron
Anak sila
sada.
ron sa tree.
Inaron
Ilalong
magcamping
ka sa tree
sada.
magcamping, ha?
Ay, oo,
Inaron
dako.
sada kay dili siya init. Tipo kay tantong bugnaw.
Oo, maganda. Maganda yung ano.
Magluto ka og kuan.
Ang ganda ng lugar.
Bacon or strawberry sausage.
Take a deep breath kay
maganda
good
yun.
oxygen dito.
Kami kay nakahoy.
Oh, yung oxygen.
Kada po ang oxygen diri eh.
Oo.
Take a deep breath para ma-relax kayo.
Ang oxygen, yes. Is good.
Oh, nakaka-relax. Oh. Titigan mo lang yung mga ano.
Anang bear magabila sila mo suroy.
Ay, kahadlok di ay nate. Eh, gatulog ka dyan bago kainin ka nila, papakin. Naka.
Kuan man sila ga bulong og food. Katong ga camping pero dinhi wala na sila kay wa may ga camping dinhi. Kato nang may ga camping.
Pag na-snow siguro, kini wala na snow ni, kining simentoha, no?
Ha?
Wala snow siguro, kining semento.
Oh, simis, of course.
Naadyo.
Napay ko na is no ni tanan.
Yes, no.
Adi maglisod magtikang dari.
Mao.
Ang kaway po doon.
May snow doon dati. Pinaka all the way doon sa baba. Kaso lang, wala na. Ito te?
Pangsot ko babae.
Pa-Facebook man ito eh. Pa-Facebook man eh.
Tablaw.
Pansot daw yung babae.
Ay maglisod ay kag baba diri kung naani snow.
Ha?
Kung naani snow diri maglisod kag kanaog.
Oh.
Og
Magpakanaog ka.
kay danlog man.
Adi mo, abantog ra din itong upan magdalag palanggana.
Oh, kana.
Magpatula sila pababa.
Oh, yeah.
Ang pagkat-kat mo na manggunit sila dito sa bakal.
Oh, na.
Ang drink siya. Ilalabing dali.
Mga bato oh.
Nagkuha sa bato eh.
Kini nga mga bato kay Kwan, granite?
Oh, yeah. Mga ganit.
Oh, pwede. Oh, pwede. Oo.
Buhi lang nga ba to?
Buhi oh.
Oo nga, no? Hindi ko basta-basta ni nakuan.
Kaya hindi siya matibag. Ano talaga, naka-hold. Okay, do not feed down, wildlife. Stick forward.
Binrek ko eh. No?
Ha?
Ano bang pagkanaog ba? Manakit imong tuhod pag binrek.
Ba't ngayon ayaw mo na magtakbo-takbo? Ito, may nagpipiknik doon, oh. Si kuya. Binabalikan yung yung snow. Ayun, may snow pa, oh. Laro pa, may snow pa rin doon.
Hindi kinaka-notice ko kakabugnaw dire.
Oh. Oh, no?
Tugnaw.
Kanada is no.
Pero ito, maluset.
Ang taon.
Katiti. Higaw, hugaw na.
Siguro sa next month, na siguro, no? Muulan
Na,
ulan.
kaya niya siya matong dagita nga. Kuan man.
Kaya murag wala na may ulan-ulan.
Ano yung kinakat nila?
Guys, no tutong dirita.
Katong diri ta guys no.
Oh, pero
Kinakat
dinhira.
siguro nila yan kasi tinan mo, initrim nila oh. Hindi masyado ano siya. Ah, tinitrim nila. Oo nga pala.
Ano na dade?
Ha?
Ano?
Ayan yung ano, yung sabi ko sa'yo, yung sa pag, sa medical.
Wala na ay mountain lion, no.
Medical.
Wala bear din he, wala. Nang laylay butang na mountain lion.
Mountain lion, oh. Kuya, baka makain ka dyan, busog na busog to. Tingnan mo.
Wala.
Sa medical yan dyan.
Aban to.
Mountain lion, oh.
Nako, mano yan.
Long Valley.
Ang gina?
Oh, 8,415 feet.
Yeah.
Oo. Ayan, oh.
85,000. Dire ni maba na dito.
dito
Makatulog
ba?
kang marag fresh di ka imong singhot no?
Oo.
Ha?
Imong singhot baka na.
Oh, murag kami murag na imin, no?
Mayo kay siya ba?
Kaya yung mga nakaatira dito, yung magandang lungs.
Compare sa to ba nga lahat ng mga hangin dito no?
Diri murag katong na imin.
Di kay marag fresh kay diri ba na?
Murag katong kulay nakabra.
Oo.
Fresh na fresh eh. Nakaka-relax yan.
Uy, mara po ko kadala og Bartolina oy.
Nak, mga anak, mahal. May isna dun, oh. May isna dun. Si kuya nandoon.
Ah? Oh, tama.
Nakamot. Oh,
Sayang lang yung outfit mo na ang kapal-kapal tapos.
brother. What are you doing there, brother? Yun, oh, si brother, oh. Nandun sa snow. Up, up. What's that, ha? Mga sub-sub.
Pinalitan ko yung damit niya kasi yung damit niya hindi magkasya yung sapatos.
May snow pa natitira. Halo-halo. Halo-halo. May halo-halong higko.
Meron nga siyang lake dito. Okay, no?
Oo, ano yan sa snow na ano, na melt. Oh.
So next month na snow, no?
Yeah. Ambot lang. Run, run, run.
Kuha yung kay ano?
Mm.
Okay, okay. Okay. Yummy. Come here.
Si kuya. Nandun si kuya. So dito tayo.
Sabi mo sa'yo, huwag niyang patayin yung sapatos niya.
Kuya! Ang ganda oh. Malinaw yung ano, yung tubig. Yeah. Ang linaw ng tubig. Malinaw ang tubig. Manguha tag suso. Og kohol. Basig may suso og kohol dire. Oo, kay gikan sa snow.
Yeah. You wanna touch the water?
Tinawa oy. Naalala ko nung ako'y nasa Pilipinas eh. Oo. Ganito. Inani Jud. Doon si kuya. Dalay mo siya doon, Meo.
Baby, come on. I got some snow. I didn't expect snow to be like this. Look at snow.
Unsa ba?
Ha? Mahal, bisa ka sa?
Kasasabi ko lang mag-diet.
Dahil ka, kinatkat mo ng bundok eh.
Oo, sige, dito banda. Dito tayo, dito tayo. Dito, dito. Ah, dito kayo. Ah, dito.
Saan naman yung sapatos?
Ay, dito na. Dito na kayo magkain. Tingnan mo itong bata. Ah, ilagay na. Bunso, come here.
Asam. Gutom na ka.
It's ice.
Gutom na ka.
Kaya, kami dong.
Asa man? Mangaon mo de.
Okay. Mga.
Huwag mong basahin yung ano niya ha.
Okay. Ha? Gahi siya? Oo, nag-ice. Nag-ice na. Wag dito pala. Wig over there. Nay, dito na ako. Dito. Oh, dito. Oh, at least may snow dito. Ah, naka. Tulungan mo si kuya. Tulungan mo kuya. Huy! Tulungan mo. Ba't naman kasi pinasok mo dyan sa... Ayan ah.
Wrong idea!
Naloko na.
Worst idea I would ever think of.
Oh, nak. Lagay mo anak.
I am shivering.
Hmm.
You got mittens?
Diba? Ako naman. Oops. Yung kuya. Anyway.
I got snow. Look at ice. Ah! Bad idea.
No, no.
It's inside! It's inside!
Ay, malamig! Malamig! Bukulo ka yan! Nandun sa mo! Tanggalin mo!
Help me! Help me!
Tulungan mo si kuya! Tulungan mo kuya! Huy! Tulungan mo! Ba't naman kasi pinasok mo dyan sa... Ayan ah!
Wrong idea!
Naloko na.
Worst idea I would ever think of.
Oh, nak. Lagay mo anak.
I am shivering. You got mittens?
Diba? Ako naman. Oops.
What? Yeah, but you need it for the nose.
What's the... Here, broke it.
I'm making you. I'm making you.
Hold it, okay?
Dad.
Ha? Tanggalin mo?
Yeah.
Sige. Malamig. It's cold. Basa na, tinan mo. Kung tatanggalin mo yan, ay, sorry anak. Ay, may. Tanggalin daw.
Try to make it snow.
I
like it, you see?
oh,
Get a lot of my snowman. Dad! Oh. Trying to make it, but the ice is not working. Okay, put the nose.
what? That.
In there. Get in there. Your nose. Hold up. Oh no, it's falling, it's falling.
I'm not gonna throw it.
You gotta put more. It's falling.
Pero hindi pa kung anong nagawa.
Butter, what are you doing?
Okay. The last piece. I mean, not the last piece. Okay, let's put the arms. No, Daddy. He's breaking it.
Huwag mo i-break ka na.
Snowball fight. Yeah, let's do a snowball fight. Let's get all of the snow we can. Look at more snow.
Tamaan sa mata. Ayaw na.
No. If we got more snow now, we can play snowball fight.
Snowball fight? No.
No, wait, we need more. Can I collect? Yay!
Order.
Ano yan? Yan yung nose niya?
It was supposed to be, but it's already broken.
Knocking my bone dry. Yes. I need more ice. Look, look, that big tree.
Yeah.
What?
Oh, my eyes is burning.
Ow.
No, don't go there.
Dad, Dad.
Yeah.
And Dad, give me this.
You wanna go there? No, it's okay. Hindi ka doon pupunta. Bakit? Ayan o, gusto mo?
Look.
Yeah, we did it.
I saw. Break here.
I don't.
I am not crouching again because my knees are broken.
What happened?
They're freezing and they're literally cold, wet, and a bunch of realities in one.
Adrian, look at there's a field. I make this ice. Look, I make ice.
Okay. Higko man ang ano mo, yung snow mo. Ang ice.
There's leftover ice we can take. Oh, there is. Take it.
I can't even see it.
Basa na yung bubot.